Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional health coach. I help people overcome their health issues using food and also become more confident in their bodies. I also work with a very great company, with an amazing company called Yiayia's Box. It's a startup subscription box that brings Mediterranean treats, specifically treats from Greece, to your door. So let's look at what this month's box contain. I received this massive box, as you can see. So I just placed it near me because I don't want it to overshadow me, right? No. This month's box is dedicated to the island of Zante. So there's also an ingredient that you can use to make the island's traditional street food, which I will mention in a little bit. So within the box, there's another box with ice cubes. Let me see if I can show that to you. Here you go. And that is because they also brought this month 2 ingredients that need to go to your freezer if you're not going to eat straight away. And those are 2 of my, it reminds me a lot of my childhood, because my sister and I, we used to go to an English school every Saturday, and after the school we had this burrata place, it's called, which is basically they were making pastry type breakfast. So one of them with like vanilla cream, the other one with spinach, cheese, or a mix of those 2. And after our English lesson, because they usually took place in the morning, we used to go there, the 2 of us or with our friends, to eat the breakfast. And so when I saw this coming through, it's just something that came very vivid in my mind. So you'll find here burrata with spinach and cheese. So it's pastry that contains those ingredients. You can put it in the oven, you can fry it, whatever is, you can bake it for 20 minutes until golden. This is what the instructions say. And then you can also, if you make, so this one is with cheese and spinach, while this one is with vanilla. This one you can also sprinkle some cinnamon on top and enjoy it that way. Obviously, I would also recommend for blood sugar control, you can also put some nuts if you want to, it's up to you. So those 2, and then they also brought something that, oh my god, tahini with chocolate. You know how much I love tahini. Tahini is made of sesame. It's pure, it's delicious, it's really good for your health, it's has good fats, vitamin and minerals. I highly recommend it for you to consume. But there are companies that have taken tahini to the next step, so they have included chocolate with tahini. So this is great as a snack, as a breakfast. Okay, I don't think I need to say anything more. So great to have this. And then there's 2 treats, which one is the pastelli. And pastelli is sesame with almonds and honey. Those 3 ingredients. So you have them, and it can be considered as like energy bars, just provide you quick energy. So if you're down, during the afternoon and you want that pick up, these are a great alternative. Now, Zakynthos also has some traditional sweets, and these are these nougats. They're called mandolato. They were inspired, or these treats were affected, shall I say, or was inspired by the time when Zante was under Italian rule. So that's Italian-inspired dessert. It's actually quite delicious. I don't want to open and try it because I actually have made something else for you, but I want to get you a closer look to this one. So it's quite soft, like a nougat actually. Let me do this because I really want to try it actually for myself. So, okay. It's like this. It's very soft. You just take a bite. And it's nice. And They also bring something that I have already used, as you can see. It's called semolina, and this is the traditional ingredient I was referring to. This is 500 grams. I've already used it to 50 grams to make Zante's traditional street food, which is called fritura. And let me show you how it came out. So I made it yesterday and it's delicious. So I don't want it to fall. So let me see how I can, here you go. So this is it. It's a really easy dessert to make. The recipe already exists on Yiayia's box site. It's a mix basically of water and semolina, super simple. And then traditionally it is served with sugar and cinnamon. In the recipe on the site you'll also find orange zest, which I've added here. But you know, like when you are a geek in the health industry, you are a geek in the health industry. And so I added a mix. I also added nuts just for, sorry, my camera just fell, so I need to fix this. Okay. So when you're a geek in this industry, you are a geek in this industry. And so I added nuts as well for blood sugar control, and instead of sugar I added coconut sugar. I mixed coconut sugar with cinnamon because they have the same color, so you cannot differentiate them. And then I added the orange zest because why not? And it's quite crispy, so let me again try and show you. Here you go. So it is quite crispy. Yeah, it looks like this. There's a lot of flavor coming from the top. It's nice, it's really nice. It's not as sweet because coconut sugar is not too sweet. So if you wanted to make it sweet, obviously you can put sugar. But it's really nice and it's super quick to make. So I'll link the recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you soon.